Today we'll look at how to put Simcenter 3D tips and tricks on the resource bar. The resource bar has a web browser. To put it on the web browser, we'll go to our favorite website, copy the URL, and paste it. Then from here, we can search and play videos. And it's particularly valuable to have that in the same window as Simcenter 3D. If you want this setting to be persistent, we can go to our customer defaults and set it there so that every time that we restart Simcenter 3D, we'll have Simcenter 3D tips and tricks on the resource bar.